Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2020 Honda CRV, stock number 6394. This ran from the 5th 2017 to the 8th 2023. And here's a RW 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine by an automatic transmission. This is the RW 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium magnet tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium magnet tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium magnet tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium magnet tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Touchscreen media player. Interior mirror. Front courtesy lamp sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.